On Discord, you are able to put links to other channels on a server in your messages. So if you want to direct someone to something being said in a different channel, or you just want to highlight that a certain channel exists, you can very easily do that. But how exactly? Well, it is pretty simple to do. All you have to do is just enter the hash key in your message, and then a list of channels on that server will pop up. So you can just select whichever one you want. You can just start typing the name of the channel, and it will narrow down the suggestions if there's too many, or even write out a full channel name if you want. This process works pretty much the same on both desktop and on mobile, and then when someone clicks on that link, it'll take them directly to that channel. But this only works when it's a channel on the same Discord server. But what if you wanted to take it a bit further and link channels on different servers? Well, for that, first you have to enable developer mode. Now here's how you do that. First off, on desktop you want to click on user settings, which will be the cogwheel icon in the bottom left, and then click on advanced in the menu on the left hand side, and then turn on developer mode, which should be the topmost option in this menu. On mobile, simply swipe right and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the cogwheel icon to go into your user settings, and then scroll down until you see advanced. Then tap into there, and once again the top option should be developer mode, so make sure that is turned on. Next you need to get the channel ID of the Discord channel you want to link. So the way you do it on desktop is by simply right clicking on its name on the channel list on the left hand side and then clicking on copy channel ID, while on mobile you simply long hold on its name and then tap on copy channel ID in this menu that pops up. Now that you have your ID, you can create a link in your message. So the way you format it is by first adding in a less than symbol, then a hash, then that full channel ID which you just copied, and then finish it off with a greater than symbol. Then just send your message, and once it's sent, it'll create a link to that Discord channel in a different server. That's exactly how you can set up links to channels on Discord. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.